What is difference between rat and mouse? Rats and mice are both small, furry rodents, but they have some differences. Mice are tiny with slender bodies, large ears, and long, thin tails. They like to nibble on grains and seeds. Rats are bigger and more robust, with thicker bodies and shorter tails compared to their size. They have smaller ears and love to eat almost anything, from fruits and vegetables to meat and garbage. While mice are more timid and like to hide, rats are bolder and can be more aggressive. Both can be found in homes and fields, but rats are often seen in larger spaces like basements and warehouses. Feature: rat versus mouse. Size of rat is larger and mouse is smaller. Body shape of rat robust, thicker body, and mouse is slender, more petite body. Ears of rat smaller relative to head size and mouse larger relative to head size. Tail of rat is thick, scaly, shorter relative to body, and mouse is thin, hairy, about as long as body. Snout of rat blunt, broad snout, and mouse is pointed, narrow snout. Lifespan of rat is 2 to 3 years and mouse is 1 to 2 years. Behavior of rat is more cautious, can be aggressive, and mouse is more curious, less aggressive. Diet of rat is varied diet including grains, fruits, small animals, and mouse is primarily grains and seeds, but varied. Reproduction process of rat is larger litters, 6 to 12 pups, and mouse is smaller litters, 5 to 6 pups. Droppings of rat is larger, raisin-sized, blunt ends, and mouse is smaller, rice-sized, pointed ends. Habitat of rat: sewers, basements, low-lying areas, and mouse is walls, attics, higher places. Intelligence of rat is more intelligent, easier to train, and mouse is less intelligent, but capable of learning.